To discover and backup Supabase resources on SimpleBackups, navigate to Stacks Discovery, go to the Stacks Discovery tab and click on Create Stack. Choose the Supabase stack and add your Supabase connection details. Give your stack a name and select your preferred discovery options. Leave all discovery options enabled to back up everything. Once you are done, click Create Stack. Click Discover Resources to locate everything that can be backed up on your account. Simple Backups will automatically discover newly added resources daily. You can turn off auto discovery via the Actions drop-down menu. Choose the discovered resources you want to back up. If you want a complete backup, select all of them. Follow the prompts to configure your selected backups. Once all your backups are configured, they will appear in the Backups tab within this section. Navigate to each backup and check the overview to ensure it is set up correctly. It is highly recommended to perform a test run, such as running the database backup, to verify that everything is working properly. That's it. Your Supabase backups are now fully configured and you can rest assured your data is safe.